This presentation will go over the basics for planning for semester, full year, and summer study abroad. Before you schedule a meeting with KSB Global Learning or an AU Abroad advisor, please watch this presentation to familiarize yourself with the processes and requirements for study abroad. Let's begin with eligibility. In order to be eligible for semester or year-long study abroad as a Kogod major, you must have completed 8 out of 10 Gen Ed courses, including the English and Math requirements and Econ 100 and 200. Additionally, you must complete Accounting 240 and 241. You must have a minimum 2.75 GPA, but please note that GPA requirements may vary by program, and some programs require a higher GPA. It's also important to note that you need to have completed all of these requirements, including the completion of Accounting 240 and 241 prior to your semester studying abroad, not before you apply for the program. There are a few different ways to search for programs. All AU-approved semester, year, and summer programs are housed in the AU Abroad portal, which can be found by going to the link below. Let's take a look. So the first way to search for program is to click on Programs at the top and click on any area in the map, and the programs that are available in that region will pop up. As Kogod majors, however, I recommend that you use the Advanced Search feature, scroll down to Field of Study Offered, and select Business Accredited so that you can find programs by academic area. You can study on any of the programs that AU offers. However, this is a good starting point for Kogod majors because these are the programs that will allow you to take courses to count towards your business major or minor abroad. Kogod majors can take up to 3 core and 2 specialization courses abroad. Few programs, however, will offer enough courses that correspond to our curriculum for it to be possible for you to actually take 3 core courses and 2 specialization courses. So it's recommended that you plan on taking at least 2 electives abroad. If you're a Kogod minor, you may take 2 classes towards your minor abroad. A helpful guide to courses abroad is the AU Course Equivalency Database. The Course Equivalency Database is a historical record of the courses that AU students have taken abroad and how those courses have come back to AU. Remember, this is not a course schedule, so while it will serve as a helpful guide to know what type of courses may be available, it should absolutely not be used for concrete course planning. The Courses and Credits page on the AU Abroad website is here, and if you scroll down to Course Equivalency Database, you'll be able to log in, or if you're already logged in like me, it will bring you straight to the database. Let's choose a sample program just so you can see. So let's look at France in the Schema program, which is a Kogod program. And you'll see all of the courses that our students have taken at Schema in the last couple of years. You'll see over here the course code at Schema, the title of the course, and the equivalent AU course number. If applicable, it will also have the language that the course is instructed in and any special notes if there are any. You'll see that there are some courses that have exact equivalency. So for example, the course at Schema, BUS 4401 International Business, comes back to AU as IBUS 300. That means that you can take this course at Schema to satisfy the IBUS 300 requirement. You'll see other courses though that have 2 X's in them. Life Cycle Analysis comes back to AU as Management 3XX. You cannot substitute 3XX for a course like Management 353. If you want a course to count as your core, you have to take the course that comes back as that exact core course number. Once you've decided on a program, you should begin your application and schedule a meeting with a Kogod academic advisor to complete the Study Abroad Advisor pre-approval form, and I'll give you a bit more information on this form later. If you're applying for an AU Abroad program, the AU Abroad advisor for the specific program will be your primary point of contact moving forward. If you're applying for a Kogod program, Kogod Global Learning will serve as your primary contact moving forward. Please note that our system allows you to apply only for one program at a time. When you're ready to begin your application, click on Apply Now on the AU Abroad program page and log in using your AU credentials. A list of required materials will automatically populate for your program. One of the documents that will come up is the Kogod Study Abroad Advisor form that I've mentioned a few times before. Print that form out, fill it out, and then bring it in for a scheduled appointment with a Kogod advisor. One of the things we ask you to do on that form is to plan out what classes you'll take not only while you're studying abroad, but also what you plan to take the semester that you return to campus. This is likely to change based on course availability. You're not committed to taking these courses, but it's meant to serve as an exercise in planning. You should note that in addition to semester, year-long, and summer study abroad programs, Kogod also offers short-term faculty-led programs at least 2 times a year. These are half-semester, 3-credit classes followed by 10 days of intensive study abroad focused on business in a particular country or region of the world. Kogod Global Learning is your primary contact for this, and you can schedule an appointment or learn about the programs that we're offering by going to the Kogod Global Learning Program website. If you have further questions, you're always welcome to contact KSB Global Learning by emailing ksbabroad@american.edu. You can schedule appointments with AU Abroad via the AU Abroad website. Happy travels!